Guess the secret to how I get my seeds to sprout in winter when nothing is coming up. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly why your seeds are not sprouting and the super simple fixes so that anyone can garden even in winter. Okay, so first thing, seeds don't really care about air temperature, they care about the soil temperature. And right now in winter, especially here in December and January, your soil might be sitting in maybe the 40s or the low 50s. And for most cool season veggies like lettuce, spinach, kale, radishes, it's just too cold for fast germination. They'll sprout, but instead of 3 to 7 days, it can take 2 to 3 weeks. So if your beds look totally blank, this is normal. It's not your fault, your seeds are just basically in a sleep mode. Another reason why seeds don't sprout well right now is winter shade. And in Zone 9B, the sun sets much lower in the sky. So areas that get full sun in the summer might be in the shade all day in the winter. And too little sun equals cold soil, which could equal either slow or even no germination. Okay, here are the fixes that work right away. Warm up the soil. So you can warm your soil using a clear plastic cover, a seedling dome, or even a leftover takeout container lid. And this traps heat and speeds up germination by days. Water less, but better. Now most beginners are surprised by this. Watering the same as summer will stop seeds from sprouting, and in winter the soil stays wet for a really long time. So if your seed bed is staying soggy for days at a time, the seeds can actually rot before they ever sprout. So instead of watering every day, switch to a gentle mist every few days or whenever the surface starts to dry out. Move pots or seed trays into a sunnier winter spot. In winter, the best locations are south-facing patios, the east side of a house, anywhere that gets sun from morning through about 1 to 2 p.m. Even 1 extra hour of sun can make seeds sprout even faster. Choose the right crops for cold weather. So seeds that sprout great in winter are leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and arugula, root vegetables like your radishes, carrots, and turnips, and brassicas vegetables such as kale, broccoli, and cauliflower. And just remember, keep it cool season only, and if you want a full printable list, head over to our website luckycatcreations.com where you can find these as well as our blog and other freebies. And seriously, don't give up. This is every beginner's struggle. Cold soil slows down everything you plant. Just a few tiny adjustments make all the difference. And once those sprouts pop up, it's the best feeling ever. Well, if you love simple gardening tips that fit any lifestyle, whether you struggle with space, budget, or time, be sure to hit that like and subscribe. And if you have a favorite seed or crop that you like to grow in the winter, be sure to share it in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.